In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a blog on Shopify. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your Shopify admin to create a polished post that's ready to share with your audience. From your Shopify dashboard, start by heading to the Content section. This is your home base for anything you write, and it keeps your words separate from products and orders so you can focus on storytelling and education. Think of it as the place where your brand's voice lives. Inside Content, choose Blog Posts. This area is designed specifically for articles, updates, and educational pieces. If you've ever wondered where blog pages differ from regular pages, this is it. Blog posts are built for ongoing entries, categories, and a timeline of updates that your customers can follow. Next, click Create Blog Post. This opens a clean editing canvas where you'll build your article. You'll see a space for the title at the top and a larger content field below it. Taking a moment here to plan your structure pays off. Decide on your main point, sketch out a brief outline, and aim for clear, scannable sections. Add your title and write your content. A strong title is specific, benefits, focused, and easy to understand. In the content field, write in short paragraphs and use headers to break up ideas. If it helps, draft in a separate document and paste it in, then refine the formatting. Link naturally to relevant products, collections, or help articles to guide readers towards the next step. Keep your tone consistent with your brand, and close with a simple call to action, like inviting readers to explore a collection or sign up for updates. When your words look good, add an image. Choose a high-quality, on-brand visual that reinforces the topic. Think a compelling featured image or a helpful graphic. Optimize it for the web so it loads quickly, and use a descriptive file name. Consistent image dimensions across posts help your blog index look tidy and professional. Finally, click Save. Saving locks in your work and ensures you won't lose any edits. It's also a good habit to save as you go. Once saved, you can revisit the post anytime to refine your copy, adjust the image, or finalize details before making it live. That's all it takes. Go to Content, open Blog Posts, create a new post, write your title and content, add a strong image, and save. Keep publishing regularly, stay helpful and authentic, and your Shopify blog will become a powerful extension of your store. Thanks for watching and happy blogging.